Bonjour à tous et bienvenue to my channel La French Guru. In this sixth part of our supermarket series, we'll discuss the section of La Meublement, home furnishings, in which we'll learn names of different furniture and decor items along with their gender in French. So, let's move to the section of home furnishings. As we can see a variety of furniture and decor items for our home, let's learn them one by one. The first one in our list is le fauteuil. Le fauteuil, which means armchair. La table. La table, that means table. La chaise. La chaise, that means chair. Le sofa. Le sofa, which means sofa. Le lit. Le lit, that means bed. Le coussin. Le coussin, which means cushion. Le drap de lit. Le drap de lit, that means bed sheets. La commode. La commode, which means chest of drawers. La coiffeuse. La coiffeuse, that means dressing table. Les rideaux. Les rideaux, that means curtains. Le tapis. Le tapis, that means carpet. Le placard. Le placard, which means cupboard. Le berceau. Le berceau, that means cradle. Le tabouret. Le tabouret, which means stool. La peinture. La peinture, which means painting. Le vase. Le vase, that means vase. And the last for today is le téléphone. Le téléphone, which means telephone. Now before ending this session, let's have a quick recap of what we learned today. The first was le fauteuil, la table, la chaise, le sofa, le lit, le coussin, le drap de lit, la commode, la coiffeuse, les rideaux, le tapis, le placard, le berceau, le tabouret, la peinture, le vase, le téléphone. I hope you like this video and will meet very soon in our next video of La Série de Supermarché. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel for more interesting videos. Till then, au revoir et bonne journée.